Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G200, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access clock by tapping on it and click on alarm at the bottom left corner. Now tap on this blue plus icon and set up an hour. When you're ready, choose OK and tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. Finally, click on Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and tap on this bell icon. Over here, you can pick one of those melodies, add your alarm sound by tapping on the one that you wish to set up and going back. You can also, as you can see, add music from your device. You can do that by tapping on Add New, clicking at the top left corner over here, picking one of your sources, like for example downloads, clicking on the song that you wish to set up, and going back. When you're ready, click on this icon above the switcher, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it though, click on this same icon above the switcher, tap on delete at the bottom left corner, and as you can see, my alarm is gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!